Our planet is a tapestry of extraordinary habitats, from the deepest oceans to the highest peaks. Yet, in many parts of our world, this vibrant tapestry is beginning to fray. A quiet, persistent process is underway. It is called desertification. This is not simply the natural expansion of existing deserts, like the Great Sahara. Rather, it is the degradation of land in dry, semi-arid, subhumid areas. It is the slow, often unnoticed transformation of once fertile, productive land into barren, dusty ground, unable to support the life that once thrived upon it. This subtle change has profound consequences for us all. This process matters deeply because our own survival is intrinsically linked to the health of the land. We depend upon it for the very food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. When land degrades, its ability to provide these fundamental necessities diminishes. Communities that have lived in harmony with their environment for generations suddenly find their way of life under threat. The soil, a living, breathing entity teeming with microscopic life, loses its vitality. It can no longer hold water, and the nutrients that nurture our crops are washed or blown away, leaving behind a sterile and unforgiving landscape. We are now witnessing the effects of this degradation on a global scale. From the Sahel region of Africa to the plains of Central Asia, and across parts of South America and even Southern Europe, vast tracts of land are succumbing to this creeping dryness. To understand how we might halt this process, we must first understand its causes. While climate change certainly plays a significant role by altering rainfall patterns and increasing temperatures, the primary drivers of desertification are often more direct and local. They are the cumulative result of human activities that place unsustainable pressure on the land. One of the most significant of these is deforestation. Trees are the anchors of their ecosystem's roots, bind the soil canopy, provide shade, reducing evaporation, and creating a more humid microclimate. When forests are cleared for agriculture, cleared for fuel, cleared for timber, the land loses its natural protector. Another major contributor is the practice of overgrazing. For millennia, pastoralist communities have moved with their herds, allowing grasslands to recover after being grazed. However, as populations have grown, movement has become more restricted. Livestock are often concentrated in one area for too long. The animals consume vegetation faster than it can regenerate, trampling the ground, compacting the soil. This hardened surface prevents rainwater from penetrating, causing it to run off and carry away the precious topsoil. What remains is a bare, impoverished ground vulnerable to the relentless forces of wind and sun. Our methods of farming also bear a heavy responsibility. In many regions, traditional sustainable practices have been replaced by intensive agriculture that prioritizes short-term yield over long-term soil health. Continuous plowing year after year pulverizes the soil structure, making it susceptible to erosion. Failure to rotate crops, failure to allow fields to lie fallow depletes essential nutrients, requiring ever more chemical fertilizers, which can harm the delicate balance of life within the soil. Without the protective cover of plants between harvests, the bare earth is left exposed and at risk. The consequences of desertification are not distant or theoretical. Despite the immense scale of this challenge, it is crucial to understand that desertification is not irreversible. There is hope, rooted in practical, proven solutions that work with nature to restore land health. One powerful solution: reforestation. Another: afforestation. Trees are true ecosystem engineers. Native, drought-resistant trees can create protective windbreaks. They stabilize soil with their roots. Over time, their leaves decompose and enrich the soil. Farmer-managed natural regeneration, protecting and nurturing naturally sprouting saplings, can transform landscapes in years. Improving water management is equally critical. Ancient and simple rainwater harvesting techniques can help. Building small, stone lines, or bunds, along contours, slows runoff and soaks water into soil. Creating zai pits, filling them with compost, then planting concentrates water and nutrients. These low-cost methods boost crop survival and help recharge groundwater, turning barren slopes into productive fields. Transforming agricultural practices is fundamental to reversing degradation. Regenerative agriculture rebuilds soil health from the ground up. Minimize soil disturbance. Keep soil covered with plants or mulch. Increase crop diversity. Plant nitrogen-fixing cover crops. Integrate trees into farmland. Agroforestry. Use compost instead of chemical fertilizers. These practices restore organic matter and microbial life that makes soil fertile. The most enduring solutions are driven by local communities. Empowered people with knowledge, resources and rights produce transformative results. The Earth is remarkably resilient. Given a chance, it can heal. We have the power to stop the spread of deserts and reclaim our world for the generations that will follow.